what I want us to do as a collective, I want us to say one word together. I'm going to tell you the word, and we're going to say it over and over, faster and faster. I'm going to put my hand up like this to tell you to stop, and then I'm going to ask you a question. So the one word I want us to say is top, T-O-P. Okay, that's the one word. Ready? Top, 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 top. What do you do when you see green light?
Stop.
Go.
Green light.
Go.
Okay, well, I'll say it again. What do you do when you see a green light?
Go.
Okay, so we all know the right answer. If you said stop, give me your license because I don't want you. How did I get you all to say the word stop? What happened? Repetition. Visual. Did you see me do this twice? I said stop.
Everyone's saying it.
Yeah, we did it all.
It was a buy-in.
There was buy-in. There was face solidity. Everybody did it together.
And it rhymes with
And
top.
it rhymed. We're saying light skin, long hair is beautiful. Light skin, long hair is beautiful. You're like, what's beautiful? Light skin with long hair. It's like, wait, no, I am. But that it's so conditioned. So that's a conditioning process. And y'all got brainwashed in like 3 seconds. But in terms of thinking about what is happening when we're seeing this over and over for 54 years, right? There are actual tests called the implicit association test that will get into your unconscious bias to recognize, like, oh, do I have a preference for lighter skin? Do I have a preference for curlier hair? And so to even get into how psychological it is, that it's deep.